Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing some clip-in extensions from BetterLength. So if you haven't heard about this company before, I'm gonna need for you to get your life because they specialize in making texture clip-ins. So I have Kinky Coarse clip-ins, they have Kinky Straight, they have Kinky Curly, Afro Curly. It's just so many different styles. So I got one full set of clip-ins, and that includes 10 clip-ins in total. So I got two that have 5 clip-ins. I got 2 that has 4 clip-ins. I have 2 that has 3 clip-ins, and then I have 4 that has 2 clip-ins. And trust me, one bundle is enough for a full head of hair. That is all you need, is one bundle. And since I colored my hair back magenta, I decided I wanted to color these extensions as well. And the color took really well. You know, I don't put any bleach in my hair, so I didn't bleach this hair either. But if you want to see what I used and how I actually color my hair and color my extensions, I'll go ahead and link a video up above. So I just put my hair in 2 big twists in the back. It doesn't matter that it's puffy or anything. Trust me, the extensions is going to cover all of that. So the clip-ins are super easy to put in. They don't hurt at all. The clip-ins, they're not pointy at the ends. They're kind of like a curved tip. So that's good because you don't want nothing poking you in your head while you got these clip-ins in. All right, guys, so I'm about done, and I used 8 clip-ins, and I would have used all of them, but I only colored 8 because I ran out of coloring. But that's the only reason, and I want to show you guys how full my hair looks with these 8 clip-in extensions. I'm so in love with these clip-ins already, and I haven't even styled them. But I am also going to show you guys how well it blends in with my hair. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair a little bit more because it's kind of bunched up. So I'm just going to spritz a little bit of water on it, put some heat protectant on it, and then go ahead and blow dry it. And I'm just blow drying my hair on low heat, and I'm using my paddle brush, and I'm also blow drying my hair with the extensions just because I feel like it will help blend them in more. So y'all, take a look at how good my hair blends in with these extensions, even when it's colored. That's what I was worried about, you know, that it will look really different, especially because of the color, and my hair is a little bit lighter than this, but girl, it blends so well. So I also just wanted to throw this out there. If you didn't know what length to get, you could go on the website, and where it has the links, it has a little question mark. You can click that, and it has a model, and it's showing you what length it is on her, and it tells her height so that you can kind of figure it out on you. So I really didn't know what type of hairstyle I was going to do with, you know, just this being my first time using the extensions and opening the box, and this is the unboxing and review and everything. So I just did like 3 little mini hair tutorials, but on my next video, I'm actually doing some big juicy curls. So you want to make sure that you stay tuned. So I want to give you guys my thoughts about this hair. I love this hair so much. It blends so good with my hair, and these extensions are so thick. It literally matches my texture when I blow my hair out, which I absolutely love. The hair is super soft. I didn't have any tangles. I didn't have any shedding. And most importantly, I didn't have any of that after I colored the hair as well. And even after I colored it, it wasn't dry or anything. But I will be doing a follow-up video letting you guys know, how my color is still holding up and everything. But I really do love this hair. I'm going to do some more styles with this hair, and I'll be sure to show you. I really do want to try their other textures as well, like the curly textures. I want to see if it matches my natural curl pattern. So this first hairstyle is just a really simple side ponytail. I just wanted something easy and cute to do. And I love buns, especially with like wigs and hair extensions. I don't know why, I just do. So I decided to just braid that, and I love that juicy braid. And I just decided to put it up into a low bun. With this last hairstyle, I just wanted something simple as well. Just have it down, and I decided to just braid the other side and then just pin them both in the back. And it'll just be a really cute hairstyle to wear down without your hair being all in your face. All right, guys, so that's basically it. Let me know what you think about these clip-ins, and if you have tried these clip-ins before, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you love this hair, I do have a coupon code for you guys in my description box. It will also have a link to their website and also a link to the hair that I have in my head. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.